Let's proceed with number 14. So we have a normal curve. A normal curve has been 40 and sigma 6. Draw the distribution and mark the points that covers 68% of the data. So that 68% is mu plus or minus 6. So 40 plus 6 is 46. 40 minus 6 is 34. And that's the correct um, illustration. That's the correct drawing of the distribution. And with those markings of 34 and 46, that's the 68% of the data. So according to the empirical formula, approximately 68% of the data in a normal distribution falls within one standard deviation of the mean. For your normal distribution, with a mean of 40 and a standard deviation sigma of 6, this range is calculated as follows. Lower bound, mu minus 1 sigma is equal to 40 minus 6 equal to 30. And the upper bound is the mu plus 1 times sigma is equal to 40 plus 6 equal to 46. Therefore, the middle 68% of the data lies between 34 and 36 as shown in our figure here. Again, this drawing can be taken from our link easily. The empirical rule, also known as 68-95-99.7 rule, is a statistical guideline for data that follows a normal distribution. The rule provides an estimate of the proportion of data points that will fall within a certain number of standard deviations from the mean. Here's the breakdown. Approximately 68% of the data falls within one standard deviation. Approximately 95% of the data falls within two standard deviation. And then approximately 99.7% of the data falls within three standard deviations. This rule is a quick way to understand the spread of your data and to identify potential outliers. For example, if a data point is more than 3 standard deviations away from the mean, it is very likely an outlier, since less than 0.3% of the data would be expected to fall in that range. Practice problem number 15. Plot the distribution of exam scores with mean equal to 82 and sigma equal to 4. Highlight the probability of a score higher than 90. So, this is a normal distribution. Our mean here is 82. And looking for and then draw looking for the 90 point, and then that area is the higher than 90, and that is also the probability of a score higher than 90. Number 16. A normal curve has a mean 12 and standard deviation equal to 3. Illustrate the area that covers the lowest 5% of the data. So we have the mean is equal to 12, and then um, the lowest 5% of the data is at that point 7.07, and that is the area, the shaded area is the area that covers the lowest 5% of the data. Now, the lowest 5% of the normal distribution with a mean mu of 12 and a standard deviation sigma of 3 is represented by the area to the left of a specific value known as the cutoff score. This score is approximately 7.07. This value corresponds to a z-score of approximately negative 1.64, which is the number of standard deviations the cutoff score is from the mean. So practice problem number 17. Draw a standard normal distribution and indicate the area for z is greater than 1.96. So this is a standard normal distribution. As you can see, our mean is 0 and our z is 1.96. The shaded portion is the area that is x greater than 1.96. Again, that illustration or that drawing can be easily taken using the link that I have provided to you. Practice problem number 18. The standard normal distribution which has a mean of 0 and standard deviation of 1. Illustrate a normal curve with a mean equal to 250, sigma 50, and mark the intervals that corresponds to 95% of the data. So we have the mean 250. 150 was taken from 250 minus twice of 50, which is 150. And then we got 350, 250 plus twice of our sigma, which is 50. So that can easily be, that illustration or drawing can easily be taken using the portal I have given you. Number 18. Here's the breakdown. The approximate 99 the approximate 95% of the data falls within two standard deviations. So that means 150 and then 350, that's the mu minus and plus and minus twice of the sigma. For a normal distribution, and the mean is equal to 20 as shown already in the figure, and the sigma equal to 2. Sketch the graph and shade the region x less than 18. So you show 18 there and then shade the area that is less than 18, and that is that less than 18 is the one that is shown in the shaded portion. Number 20. Draw the normal curve with the mean equal to 100, sigma equal to 20, and then highlight the central 99.7% of the distribution. So here our mean is 100, and since our sigma is 20, thrice of that is 60. So 100 minus 60, so you have 40. And then 100 plus 60, that's 160. And then for the approximately 99.7% of the data falls within the 3 standard deviation. So our MCQ for our quarter 3 data and probability lesson Roman numeral number 10, the normal distribution and its characteristics. MCQ number 1. Which of the following best describes the shape of a normal distribution curve? Letter A, skewed to the right. Letter B, skewed to the left. Letter C, symmetrical and bell-shaped. Letter D, uniform. MCQ number 2. In a normal distribution, the mean, median, and mode are A. All different, B. All equal, C. Mean is greater than the median is greater than the mode. Letter D. Mean is less than the median, less than the mode. MCQ number 3. What does the parameter mu represent in a normal distribution? A. Standard deviation. B. Mean. C. Variance. D. Probability. Number 4. What does the parameter sigma represent in a normal distribution? A. Mean. B. Standard deviation. C. Variance. D. Median. MCQ number 5. The total area under a normal distribution curve is equal to A. 0.5, B. 1, C. Depends on mean, D. Depends on variance. MCQ number 6. Approximately what percentage of data falls within one standard deviation of the mean in a normal distribution? A. 50%, B. 68%, C. 95%, D. 99.7%. Number 7. Which interval represents two standard deviations from the mean? Letter A, mean minus 1 sigma to mean plus 1 sigma. Letter B, mean minus 2 sigma plus mean plus 2 sigma. C, mean minus 3 sigma to mean plus 3 sigma. Letter D, mean minus standard deviation squared to mean plus sigma squared. MCQ number 8. Which of the following is true about a normal distribution? Letter A. It is skewed to the right. Letter B. The tails extend infinitely in both directions. Letter C. The mean is always 0. Letter D. The variance is always 1. MCQ number 10. The empirical rule states that about 99.7% of the data lies within how many standard deviations of the mean? Letter A, 1. Letter B, 2. Letter C, 3. Letter D, 4. MCQ number 10. Which of the following distributions is most commonly used in statistical inference? A. Normal distribution. B. Uniform distribution. C. Exponential distribution. D. Binomial distribution. we'll have the next part of this lesson.